You're vaping wrong. All right, it was a bit dramatic, but with comments like these, we had to set the record straight. I wanted something to point to every time I get one of these comments. So I reached out to one of the most brilliant PhDs I know to help me out.
My name is Dr. Riley Kirk. I am a PhD in pharmaceutical sciences. I specialize in the chemistry and pharmacology of cannabis and other natural products, including fungi. I am a co-founder of a cannabis nonprofit. I am a professor of cannabis studies, and I am an online educator. You can find my content at Cannabichem.
Does holding in your hits get you higher?
From what we know, it's all hearsay. When you are dabbing, you're going to absorb about 95% of those cannabinoids immediately. Immediately, within the first half a second, let's call it. So holding that in for more than, I would say the absolute maximum 3 seconds would be the longest you would ever have to hold in a hit. And beyond that, you're just depriving yourself of oxygen. Whether we're talking about smoking or dabbing, if you're feeling any adverse effects, like it hurts to breathe or you're coughing up a lot, you may be damaging these super delicate tissues in your lungs. So I'm always the biggest proponent of listening to your body, whether you're smoking or dabbing. If you're feeling something that is not comfortable and might feel a bit wrong, maybe switch up your consumption method for a bit. But as far as myself and Roger and people who are online smoking and dabbing, I think the science backs it up. If you're holding in for at least a half a second, you're getting 95% of those cannabinoids. You're going to feel the effect.
Now, while science and data mean one thing, subjective experience is what matters to most of us. So this video isn't about how you should consume. It's about putting information in front of you so you can make the best choices with your own personal consumption. We're all going to use cannabis differently in ways that really resonate with us. And I don't want you to feel like we're telling you how to use cannabis. We just want you to be informed about the way you use it so you can really make sure that your relationship is as great as it can be. I consume in different ways depending on the situation I'm in. If I am live streaming, for example, I'm going to be consuming in a way that certainly gets me high and shows how these products work and how effective they are, but doesn't get me high enough that I can't sit here and communicate with our fans and the people that have questions. When I'm at home, I might go a little bit harder because I have nobody to answer to but myself. When I'm in other situations, I may go way lighter because what I do on live certainly wouldn't work in a meeting with all of my employees. Every position that you're in is going to require a different relationship with how you consume. There's no right way to do it except the way that is right for you. If you have a friend that you think this video could help and shed some insight on their own consumption habits, please tag them in the comments. Let them know. If you have a friend who is always arguing about this shit, throw them a link as well. Let them come in here and argue with us. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Help us keep investing in this channel that we've created. See you guys in the next one. Thanks.